What is cognitive psychology? Have you ever wondered how your brain processes information when you study for a test or make decisions? This is where cognitive psychology comes into play. Cognitive psychology is all about understanding how we think. It looks at the mental processes that shape our perceptions, memories, attention, problem-solving, decision-making, and language use. When you study, your brain is busy focusing on the material, trying to understand it, and storing it in your memory for later. Cognitive psychology helps us understand how this happens. It examines how we take in information from our surroundings, like sights and sounds, and how we process that information. For example, when you are in class, your ability to concentrate on the teacher while ignoring distractions is a key part of your learning process. This field gained popularity in the mid-20th century. Psychologists began to realize that to truly understand behavior, they needed to look at what happens in our minds. They shifted their focus from just observable actions to the hidden mental activities that lead to those actions. Cognitive psychology covers several important areas. Attention is how we focus on what matters while tuning out distractions. Perception is how we interpret sensory information. Memory is about how we store and recall what we learn. Language involves how we learn and communicate with words. Problem-solving and decision-making are about figuring things out and choosing the best options. For teenagers, understanding cognitive psychology can be very helpful, especially when preparing for high school and college. Knowing how attention and memory work can help you develop better study habits. For instance, if you understand that your brain can only focus on a limited amount of information at once, you might choose to break your study sessions into smaller chunks. This can make learning more effective. Additionally, cognitive psychologists use their knowledge to help people facing challenges like anxiety or learning difficulties. They create techniques to improve thinking and behavior, which can be beneficial for students who may struggle in school. In essence, cognitive psychology is about understanding how our minds work. For teenagers, this knowledge can support academic success and personal growth. By being aware of how you think and learn, you can make your study time more productive and effective.